Affiliate Marketing 101. Affiliate marketing programs are a great way to get income for your website and a great introduction to e-commerce. The more people that drop by your website, the greater chance will be at creating an excellent income. Affiliate marketing programs are where a company offers to pay you a set amount for either a click-through from your website or a set amount for visitors signing up, or even a percentage of a purchase made by visitors as a result of being referred from your website. Even if visitors don't make a purchase immediately, almost all programs offer cookie duration, normally consisting of 30-90 days. What this means is that as long as the visitors have the cookie in their cache, you'll still receive a profit from the sale. The biggest amount of time in maintaining your site will be searching and implementing affiliations with various companies. Even though there's a lot of money in affiliate marketing, you have to take the time to search for the best programs. One thing that you may not be happy with is the idea of other companies' banners littering your website. If you use too many banners or links on any web page, it can confuse and help to irritate your visitors. More than one animated element on a web page can be very distracting as well. Affiliate tracking can also be a problem. Once you have applied to become an affiliate for a company, they'll usually supply you with a personalized link or code. It's very important that you implement this code into your page correctly, or you may be sending visitors to the company without receiving any profit. A majority of snippets in the code will contain a unique user ID, which the company uses to distinguish which sites send traffic.